Okay, so good morning everyone, and you say good morning to your dear teachers.
Good morning, teachers. Peace be with you and mabuhay.
Okay, so peace be with you and mabuhay too. So today we are celebrating I think this is one of the projects of the AFRIM. Okay, let me take your seat. Okay, this is one of the projects of the AFRIM, an output especially in advocating peace. Okay, so pina-update niya siya. Actually, Ma'am Ayla, hindi lang kayo nakabidyo. Nakalimutan niyo. Okay, so I know pretty well that sexual result is quite talented to have it in a very short of time. So this morning, the two groups, the boys and the girls group will represent or will have a contest. So we're going to do this as a contest, the jingle making contest with the theme peace. May I read the criteria on how to judge the contest? The relevance of the theme is 40%, choreography is 30%, voice quality is 30%, the total of 100%. So the ground rules, 2 to 3 minutes. The members, it doesn't matter. So all boys and all girls. Okay, everybody give your hands. The first contestant and the first group will present. Where the office. At the same time, you can view this one. Okay lang, you can view this one sa Facebook. Tapos pag may copy ka na yung nalan, ayaw ka natin sa inyo. Ready?
Kapayapaan ay kasaganaan, pagtulungan sa mundo. Bata man tayo sa isip ng iba, ngunit tayo'y may magagawa.
Tayo na! Nakinig kayo! O kabataan at saan pinag-aralan mga asal na inyong natutununan noong panahong inosente pa kayo, anong ginawa ay kundi ang mamulabog? Mga kapatid, gumising na kayo, hayaan niyo pumasok ang natutulog niyong puso, kayo'y magigising sa limiting niyong tulog. O kabataan, kailangan ng kapayapaan.
Pag-asa tayan, yan ang mamimig ng mamamayan. Kapayapaan ay mahalaga. Tayo'y magkaisa, sama-sama, tulong-tulong sa pagsulong tungo sa pag-unlad ng bayang minamahal. Kapayapaan ay mahalaga. Tayo'y magkaisa, sama-sama, tulong-tulong sa pagsulong tungo sa pag-unlad ng bayang minamahal.